Good morning, everyone. We are hunting for Pokemon.
Food.
And food. Well, no, we have food. Food is coming to us. But we need coffee. That's what we need.
It's too hot.
Oh, I'm on my way to rehearsal. It is super hot and sweaty. And I'm waiting for my train, which is just about to arrive. Alright, just finished rehearsal and now I'm just waiting for the train to go home. Today it's been a very hot and humid day. But it's all good. I'm going home. I'm going to relax in the AC for the rest of the night. That's it. There is go my train. Finally off the bus. Finally walking home. Public transport is horrible in the city right now. I don't know what's going on. Buses are just all over the place. They've shut down gates. But I'm finally walking home. Thank God. Ugh. It's a very long day. It's harder in the summer months. Normally right now we wouldn't be rehearsing because of the weather, because it's so hot, but we've got a show in 2 weeks in Brooklyn. So it is what it is. But after that, I'm on vacation. For a whole month, I'm on vacation. Yay! I think that could change. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog here. As you can see, Noah's over. We're watching the Yu Yu Hakusho. Well, he is. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and ding dong that was like perfectly timed. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and ding on that bell so you get notified about my next day vlog. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Adios.